All right, take a look at the RJ45 toolkit. We got a handful of connectors, got a bunch of strain reliefs, we got our sleeve cutter and our punch down tool. These are always nice. We got our crimper, got a cutting blade there, we got a stripping blade there, and even has a diagram telling you exactly how to wire it. We got a locking pin right there, so all I'm going to do is push it on the other side, and that will allow it to open up. If we want to relock it, just press it back down. So this is where it crimps, but you'll also notice on the other side we got a blade, so that means that this will work on pass-through connectors. And then we have a cable tester. If you're going to be doing this job, it's always nice to have one of these. We have connectors for both Ethernet, and we also have them for phone lines, so I do like that. So what's nice about being able to take this apart like this is you can plug this in on the end, and if you have a very long line, you can just plug it in right here, and we can use that to test it. Those look like we will need batteries. And this does use a standard 9-volt. I do like that you don't have to have a screwdriver to actually take that cover off. And these are pass-through connectors, which can make my life a lot easier. I'm going to start out by putting on the strain relief. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. And we can push the strain relief back up, make sure that we got that clip underneath that bubble. And let's test it. Cool. So the LEDs are on both sides, which means that we are making good connection. If you want to go faster, we could take that down to S. Cool. So yeah, overall, that is a great kit.